welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Viney Wash, period. And today I'm going to show you how to reboost those curls. So as you can see, this is the current state of my hair. Dry, brittle, barely any curls. So I'm gonna take the Aztec clay mask and apple cider vinegar and mix them together to form a clay mask. So I'm taking a bowl and I'm pouring the Aztec into the bowl by measuring the eye length, and I'm taking a plastic knife and I'm mixing everything. You want to also add the vinegar, not too much where the consistency is liquidy, but enough to still have a little thicker consistency to apply the mask to the hair. Before applying any of the mask to the hair, you want to make sure that the hair is wet. By applying the clay mask while the hair is wet, it will minimize the amount of clay mask you use. To make things simple and easy, you want to part your hair in 4 parts. This clay mask is so perfect for cleansing your hair. To remove any product buildup, it's a perfect cleanser. You want to try to do this at least once a month. This will help keep the hair really clean. So as you can tell, I decided to part my hair in 4, and I am starting off with the bottom row of my hair. I am applying from top to bottom, making sure I get everything. Making sure the clay mask is on every string, homegirl. Alright, let me stop being serious and get into it. Alright, I'm going through it and I am taking the clay mask and I am applying the clay mask throughout my entire hair. I don't want to miss any strand, okay? You want to make sure those curls bounce back like juvenile. That was corny, but yes, you want to make sure the clay mask is all over the hair. That I am finishing up the area, as you can tell, the clay mask is everywhere. It is a mess. And now I'm going to start on the other side, doing the same technique as before. Applying the clay mask top to bottom. I'm making sure the clay mask is on every single thing, including my skin and my robe. It is messy, but your homegirl is working that mask in. I'm so excited to see the outcome. So as I finish off the bottom area of my hair, it is now time to move to the top. I am applying the same method, top to bottom. I'm making sure I get everything. It's reminding me of perm days when I had to put that white crack in my hair. That was funny, a joke, people. But now I am trying natural, and every now and then a natural-headed girl got to cleanse her hair, her scalp, everything. Man, that stuff is so messy. So messy. So I highly recommend you don't do it in your Sunday's best wardrobe. So now that we have made it to the last area of our head, people, we are applying the same method, top to bottom. My hair is in dire need of this clay mask, people. I am ready to take my natural hair journey as serious as possible. Homegirl always relapse and just throw some braids in it. Which isn't a bad thing. I mean, it's protected, right? But that stuff is so messy, and then after a while it just feels like paper in your, like it feels like sandpaper when you touch your hair. It is not very pleasing. But as you can tell, I'm taking my fingers and I'm just going through my hair, making sure I apply the clay mask to pretty much everything. And I'm also trying to use up the last bit because you don't want the clay mask. Like, it's nowhere where you could store the clay mask. You can't use it at all. So now that all areas are done, you want to let the clay mask sit in for at least 1 hour. As you can tell, it looks like the clay mask have hardened a little, and yes, it hardened. It feels really rough, like sandpaper. But let's see how it's gonna look when we wash it out. Stay tuned. Now that I have shampooed and conditioned the clay mask out, look at those curls, people. Those curls are popping. Do you see each strand? It's really soft and bouncy. I highly recommend all my natural ladies to do this. Okay, check it out. Hit them with a left. Hit them with a right. Oh. Anywho, it is now time to say goodbye. So all my lovely ladies, stay beautiful, blessed, and highly favored. And don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.